Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about all kind of charts, its types and their usage in the day-to-day scenarios. So first chart what we are going to learn about is bar chart. What is a bar chart? Bar chart is a categorical data with a rectangular bars. So it will be having a bar-like structure which represent the each value of each category. Now, depending upon what will be the length of each bar is directly proportional to the value it represent. Now, where we can use a bar chart. A bar chart can be used for comparing quantities, visualizing changes over the time, and displaying the discrete data. The next chart what we have is line chart. Line chart connects the individual data points with the lines, which makes it very easy to observe the trends over the time. So with the help of a line chart, you can show the trends, like for example, which is the hottest top selling product in the market, or what is the current job requirements are there. So with the help of a hot trend, you will get to know. Then time series analysis, that if you are observing a data around a particular time limit, you will be able to know which time series is giving you the maximum profitability and compare the data series as well. Then we have pie chart. Pie chart represents the data as slices of a circular pie. So you have a pie in that, and every part, every cut of that pie represents what is that particular value is consisting upon. Where each slice correspond to the category proportions of the whole. So if you have like a, for example, if you have a whole cake, every slice of a data it will be giving you what that particular slice represent about. So where the spice chart is basically being used, it is being used for few categories, either which is ideally for representing the proportion where three or more categories are there, as well as percentage shares. So if you want to make the person understand which person is holding how much shares in that, so you can use percentage shares as well. Next, the most useful one is histogram. It's similar to bar chart, but used for frequency distributions of continuous data. So whenever the data is in the continuous format, we use histogram. It is basically being used for understanding the frequency, distribution visualizations, and it is being used for pattern identifications as well. Then comes scatter plot. Scatter plots uses the dots to represent the value obtained for two different variables, allowing for the visualizations of a relationship between them. Now, with the help of a scatter plot, you get to know what are the outliers are there. It helps you to identify the correlation between one data to another, and many more things you can understand with the scatter plot. It just shows the data with the help of the dots to represent what are the things are happening over the time limit. Then we have a area chart. Area chart is similar to the line chart but fills the area below the line with the color. Basically, it emphasizes the volume of a data. So area charts are being basically used for showing the cumulative totals over the time, comparing multiple data series and visualizing the part to the whole relationships. Then comes a next important thing that is called as a bubble chart. Bubble chart is a variations of the scatter plot where third variable is represented by the size of the bubbles. So with the help of a bubbles, we get to know which data is holding the more value and so on. So basically the bubble charts are being used for three-dimensional visualizations, variable comparisons and magnitude display. So basically it is being used for effective data visualization technique. Then we have a heat map. Heat map uses color to represent data values in matrix format, allowing for quick visuals analysis of a patterns. So heat maps are basically being used to understand data density, correlation identification, and dimension variations as well. Now, this was all about the various charts what we have with us. And in the next video, we will be learning more about how to make this chart. So if you like this presentations or the video of mine, please like, share, and subscribe my channel so that I can bring more and more useful content for you to make your career into the upcoming market field of data science, machine learning, Power BI, and many more. Let's meet in the next video.